She'll close her bagel. Poor Julia with the swine. I know, and Amy, use your legs. Get off his back. Get off his back. She listens so well. Yeah.
So I don't think that flies. We'll see when I go get on a horse. Yo, that's glorious.
She's staring better than the others.
Also for like some thing. Did she tell you about that? She's going to see George Strait. Yesterday she kept trying to say I'm so excited. She kept going, I'm just so excited.
Good. Now in your legs, pick up your eyes. Stretch down. Can we get a car for the team?
A car?
Yeah, so that people can come ride. Like this one. I can make her good. Oh. Yay! Woo. Sit up, push inside legs, step out. Yeah. I can get her fixed. I can get everybody fixed. I just have to see them. And yeah.
Yes, Susan.